How to remove suggested Reels videos on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the Find option. Navigate to this search option. Once you're on this page, you're going to find all the suggested Reels. Now, you can hit towards any of the Reel that you are not interested in. You want to remove it. Just open the Reel. At the right corner of the Reel, you're going to find the Find option. Click on three dots. The Find options will appear. Select the option of not interested. Now you have to provide the reason, so select any of it. Now Instagram won't suggest these kind of reels. You can do the same for other reels that you are not interested in. So this way you are able to remove suggested reels videos on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.